Assalamu alaikum students. Unit 5 of our English book is present perfect tense, other forms. In the previous unit, you use the forms of verbs which had ed endings, and now we are going to use the forms of verbs which don't have ed endings but they are different. Like picture number 1, the pencil is broken. Broken is the third form of the verb. Someone has broken it. The dress is torn. Someone has torn it. The shoes are clean. Someone has cleaned them. Now we are using broken, torn, and lost, and like other verbs which don't have ed endings. Second exercise is the teacher will ask you what's the matter, and you will give as many different good answers as possible. This is an oral activity. Like, I have broken my ruler, I have lost my pencil, I have dropped my handkerchief, I have torn my dress or shirt. Exercise 3 is give answers like the ones in blue. You can do this exercise in your copies. Have they eaten their breakfast? Yes, yes they have. Has Jamil lost his ruler? No, no he hasn't. Have the girls bought new dresses? No, they haven't. Has Nasir found his pencil? No, he hasn't. Has Uzma torn her dress? Yes, she has. Has the lesson begun? Yes, it has. Has Zabe written a letter? Yes, she has. Has the lesson finished? No, it hasn't. Has she posted it? No, she hasn't. Have the boys done their homework? Yes, they have. Have the children eaten all the food? No, they haven't. Have they lived here a long time? Yes, they have. Have the children read all the books? No, they haven't. Exercise 4 is read aloud. In this table you have been given contractions and you have to only read them. Now exercise 5 is give answers like the ones in blue. Has Uzma eaten an orange? No, she hasn't eaten an orange. She has eaten an apple. Have the children lost their books? No, they haven't lost their books. They have lost their pencils. Statement A is, has Jamil drawn a ship? No, he hasn't drawn a ship. He has drawn an apple. Has Uzma found a ruler? No, she hasn't found a ruler. She has found a rubber. Have the men taken away the tins? No, they haven't taken away the tins. They have taken away the bottles. Has Zabe written to her uncle? No, she hasn't written to her uncle. She has written to her aunt. Has Mrs. Riaz bought new shoes? No, she hasn't bought new shoes. She has bought a new dress. Have the cats seen a mouse? No, they haven't seen a mouse. They have seen a dog. Have the girls put away their pens? No, they haven't put away their pens. They have put away their books. Has Mr. Aziz sold his house? No, he hasn't sold his house. He has sold his car. Have we finished the book? No, we haven't finished the book. We have finished the exercise. Exercise 6 is reading practice. White, exercise, ice cream, write, twice, knife, 5, line, ripe, white, beside, fire, rise, side, wife, dry, height, rise, smile, write, divide, ice, time, writing. The reading extract of our book is The Lost Ring. One day a man went home to his wife and said, I have bought something for you. Oh, thank you, said his wife. What have you brought? I have bought a gold ring. Here it is. He held it out for his wife to see, then he dropped it. Oh dear, he said, I have dropped it. He began to look for it on the floor, but it was dark inside the house and he could not see anything. He went outside the house and began to look for the ring in the street. Just then a friend came along. What's the matter? He asked. I have lost a ring, said the man. Where did you lose it? I lost it inside my house. You lost your ring inside your house, but you're looking for it outside in the street? That seems very foolish. Ah, said the man, but it is dark inside my house. I shall never find it there. But here in the street there is more light and I can see more clearly. Choose the best answer. Try not to look at the story. A. The man bought a gold ring. You will tick the word ring or circle it. B. He bought it for his wife. C. The man lost the ring in the house. D. There was more light in outside the house. E. The friend thought that the man was silly. You can do this exercise in your books, students, and then answer the questions. Question F is, who dropped the ring? A man dropped the ring. Question G, where did the man look for the ring at first? The man looked for the ring in the house on the floor at first. Question H, where did he next look for the ring? He next looked for the ring outside the house in the street. Question I, did he find the ring? No, he did not find the ring. Question J, who saw him in the street? His friend saw him in the street. You will do these question answers in your copies. Write meanings of these words and use them in sentences in your copies. Drop means to let something fall. Matter means situation. Lose means fail to gain. And foolish means silly. Students, do your work in your copies and send it to cdschool04@gmail.com. I'll check your work and send it back to you. Thank you.